What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video is going to be a super quick video, guys, because I have a serious addiction to ETH. So I need to get off this stuff, but I love ETH. Anyways, in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to basically go to ETH 2.0 or participate in the staking without locking your junk up. Everyone likes to lock up junk. Well, not me, guys. I like to leave it unlocked. Unlocking them gains. Alright, guys, let's go and get into this video, explain what Lido.fi is. Pretty cool protocol. Me personally, I'm not using the Terra Luna side on this website, but then again, I kind of am, because you hit stake now and it takes you to Anchor. But we already know the trick. Just go to TerraSwap and you can actually get more B Luna than you would on using that exchange. But anyways, that's not going to be in this video. I already made a video on that. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So if you guys like BTC, make sure you do those things for me. Really appreciate it, guys. So let's go ahead and get into Lido and let's break it down and explain what it's doing. We're going to mainly explain the Ethereum side because this is the side that I like. So right now it's paying a 5.9% APR. Now you're like, what the pants? Why is that cool? I mean, I can earn that money on Celsius, or, well, actually no, Celsius is only paying like 5%. But why is this cool? Well, you're actually using it in DeFi and you're earning money on your Ethereum at a 5.9% APR, aka what the staking yields are, or almost what they are for ETH 2.0. Now, how does this work?
Good question, you ask. So this is how it works exactly. So right now there's not enough, well, they're working on getting more liquidity, but right now 1 ETH equals 1.00008 ST ETH. But in reality, 1 ETH is supposed to equal 1 ST ETH. Now, how does the percentage APY add into your wallet? Well, over time, you will get more tokens in your wallet. So it's just like a algo stablecoin. And here's a good example. This one isn't an algo stablecoin, but I'm going to show you guys this is a similar concept with QuickSwap. On QuickSwap, if you deposit in one of their pools, the DQuick token automatically accrues in value. It's not like an algo stablecoin. The price just goes up, and the price difference between Quick and DQuick is a different price fluctuation. How an algo stablecoin works is it's basically airdropping you tokens every day. So that's just a good way to understand how it works.
Now let's go back over to Lido. We're just going to go over a couple things, guys. This is going to be a quick video. But if you guys want to participate in this, you literally hit the maximum amount of ETH you want to mint, and you can swap and you can get some AL USD. The gas fee is super cheap, nothing crazy, but I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want the AL ETH right now, and nor do I want to pay the gas fees. But when you get that AL ETH, you can actually use it. So typically when you stake on ETH 2.0, you cannot use your Ethereum for anything. However, with the ST ETH, you can actually come over on Uniswap and you can swap it out for some ETH, DAI, whatever. Now you're looking at it and you're like, wait, that's not right. If I do one ST ETH and I'm only getting less than that ETH, well, guys, they're working on liquidity right now. You can go over to Curve, calm your panties, and you can get one ST ETH and swap it there. It's not crazy high right now, guys. They're still working on liquidity, and you can provide slippage and provide not slippage, but provide liquidity and earn rewards for it. But you guys can see this is kind of what the swap rate is. If you guys are like, snap, this is doo-doo squirt. Well, just think about it. You're actually earning interest for it. If you're in Ethereum for the long haul, you're basically earning a free 5.9% for no reason, and you can use your ETH for whatever you want. You can provide liquidity on Uniswap in one of their pools. You can even provide liquidity on Curve. If you guys look on the Curve pools, you just have to look for the different pools. They even have an LUSD pool. But here's ALUSD, here's STETH. So basically you're going to earn 3.14%. You're going to earn about almost, we'll just call it 0.25 Curve and 4.6 LDO, so Lido token. So that's pretty fire sauce. That's awesome. So just so you guys can understand how that works, you're basically going to be getting like all in all about 10% interest on your Ethereum. That's really good as long as you're partaking in these strategies and understanding you still have gas fees and whatnot. So now what is Lido? Lido is a staking solution for ETH 2.0. So that's something you need to keep on mind. How does it work? Well, when you stake Lido, you get the ST-ETH as a one-to-one basis, and you can use it anywhere you want, like we showed you. What is liquid staking? Well, you're basically staking, earning rewards, and you have a token, ST-ETH, aka a receipt for your deposit, and you can use that anywhere you want. You don't want to sell your receipt, because when you sell your receipt, aka your ST-ETH, you cannot go exchange it for ETH, because, well, at this store, you have to have your receipt to return and get your goods back or get your money back. So that's how you can keep that in mind. This also explains what ST-ETH is. It's basically just a token that represents it. Yes, there are risks involved, and I'll explain that later. What is LDO? This is one of the tokens that you'll be earning an interest. It's basically the governance token. Is this secure? Well, again, guys, this is an open source and continuous review of code. There is such thing as smart contract risk, so do keep that in mind. They even have a DAO for governance, etc., to help with improvements. And here's one thing you need to keep in mind. Here are the risks: smart contract risk, ETH 2.0 technical risk, adoption risk, so aka ETH 2.0 doesn't work. You also have slashing risk. You have the price risk. Someone says, ST-ETH is junk, and everyone just starts saying that, and they don't take it. Then that makes the price trash. I mean, it's one thing what people are willing to pay. So right now you're working on trust. That's also another reason why me personally, I'm not going to use it, because I'm just that type of person who's like that. But again, that shouldn't be a hindrance to you guys if you guys are wanting to learn about it and play around with DeFi. I just want to make you guys aware of the risks. What fees are applied by Lido and what they're used for? Well, they have a 10% fee on users' staking rewards. So if you're earning 6% or 8%, well, the 5.9% is the one displayed. So they're actually earning more. They're already taking out the percentage out. That's why it's a little bit lower. The fee is split between node operators and the DAO. So that's something to keep in mind. That's a quick overview of Lido Fi, or Stake.Lido Finance. This is on the link, but really it's just Lido Finance. It's just liquidity for staked Ethereum or staked assets. Right now they just have Luna and Ethereum. Right now, me personally, for Terra Luna, I just use Anchor Protocol. You can use this as well. It's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time, appreciate your patience, and we shall see you guys in the next one. Wait, guys, what the pants? Did you guys forget? We got a wisdom one-liner coming your way. Proverbs chapter 22 verses, what verse we in? I think we're in verse 15, Drake. Yeah, you're right. No, we're in 16, bruh. One who oppresses the poor to increase his wealth, and one who gives gifts to the rich, both come to poverty. Yeah, that's so true, man. Make sure you guys give money to those that actually need it. If you guys want to support the channel, here's a link to Gitcoin grants. Here's a quick profile overview. Links in the description below as well. But basically, they help support the channel through quadratic funding. If you're unfamiliar how this works, is if 10 people deposit, or if they support the channel with a donation of $10, the match amount is going to be way higher than it would be if one person who did $10. So if you guys are choosing to support the channel, when you guys are supporting it, there is a quadratic funding mechanism that is on Gitcoin right now. Basically what it means is the more people that support the channel, it doesn't even have to be a crazy amount. It could just be $1, $2. But what happens is Bitcoin will match that through a quadratic formula. So the more people that support the channel, it'll match that amount with a higher amount. And a good thing about donating through Gitcoin, you don't have to just donate to me, or you don't even have to donate at all. Make sure you guys give. I mean, giving's a really good thing to do. Make sure you look at other protocols that you want to support, or other channels, or other influencers, or other developers that you want to support. Participating in something like the Gitcoin grants or anything on Gitcoin, it actually enabled me to get into several different airdrops. So if you guys are wanting to get into airdrop, donate like a couple dollars or anything. I mean, I've donated a couple dollars on my account. It gave me airdrop, so basically the airdrop paid for it, and I still keep giving back to the community because I understand that, guys, we're still early in crypto and we need to support it as much as we can. Gotta say thanks to the patrons. We got Scott Bot, Domain, Tariq Liu,
TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho.
Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.